Good morning, everyone. I'm Rajveer Kumar Soni from BCPPU second year batch 2. So today I'm standing here to explain my PPT on Python. My topic is list. So first of all, thanks to Sona ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity. So without wasting the time, let's start it. So first of all, what we'll cover in this presentation. So first of all, what is list? Purpose of list, syntax, and live program. List. What is list? A list in Python is a built-in data structure used to store multiple items in a single variable. It stores data in an ordered collection and allows easy access and modification of elements. Purpose of list: to store multiple values in one variable, to organize and manage data easily, to iterate data using loops, to perform operations like add, remove, and update elements. Syntax of list. First of all, list name equal to we have stored the value of list in square brackets, item 1, item 2, item 3, and so on. In Python, we have take example list of numbers equal to square brackets. The value of numbers list is 10, 20, 30, 40. And in Python, in list we have stored single variable like miscellaneous data type like int, char, float in single variable. So here we can do it a live program on create a list. So first of all, we create a list. So we have create a list like city in square brackets like Motihari, Sitamarhi, Masrak, that is the different city of Bihar. First of all, we are printing the list using print function. The all famous city of Bihar, comma, the variable name is what? City. Then separate. Then we will print. We want accessing the element using index number. So first of all, that index number is we know that it starts from 0 to till. Motihari is 0, Sitamarhi equal to 1, and Masrak is equal to 2. So we print index number 1. So print the second city equal to list name equal to city, and their index number is what? 1. Then we semicolon. After that, we are adding the new element in list using append method. So clear out all. For append, we write like a variable name is what? City dot append Jahanabad. Then we print list. After updated city, that is the list name. So output is direct output is Motihari, then Sitamarhi, Masrak, then Jahanabad. So we are performing elements like creating a list, printing the list, and accessing the element using index number, and adding the new element, and after that we have print out. Okay. So that's from my side. Thank you.